Was that the bite of 87?
Hey, before you go, just know that he was a great man. And what the fuck? What are you guys doing here? Anyway, yeah, get out of here. Yeah, go. They're back. Yes, them. They're back. Just go. What's up, guys? It's me, Chef Boy. Today, I'm in my bed because I don't really want to make a video in my chair because it's very uncomfortable. So I'm just gonna be lazy and make it in bed. Yep. So this is a little new twist. You might see my feet in a couple of shots, but we have 3 items we're gonna be reviewing today. Not in this particular video, but as a whole. I've been making 3 videos, daily, each day. Maybe like a 3-day span, or maybe a week. I don't know. Hopefully they'll all come out all today. I hope, because I just want to get all these over with, so that you guys can have some good content to watch. And me, 2 months later, when I'm bored as hell and I decide to watch my own videos because I'm dyslexic and retarded, and I have 0 taste in content. Today we're gonna be reviewing this item: toxic waste, slime liquor. Yeah, slime liquor. And we have 2 other items, or food items. We have Starburst cotton candy. Saw at the store. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Decided to get it. And I also saw this particular item I do not want to discuss. You'll just have to see it for yourself. So, yeah. Those are the 3 items we're going to be reviewing. But for now, let's get our attention on this bad boy. Now, I've been trying to open this thing for the past 10 minutes. So, I'm hoping this works. If it's bending the spoon. What's going on? Okay, guys, I'm back. We got it open. That took me about 5 hospital trips, screaming like fucking Goku, and cutting my finger off because I was trying to cut it in half and saw it in half with a bone saw. So, yeah. Now we got it open. It's been like 5 days, but we got it open. I'm cutting straight to the chase and just drinking this thing. Fuck it. Alright, guys. First sip. Prepare, because this might be a little sour. Just a little sour. Drink it in 3, 2. Making sure there's no shrapnel inside of it. 1. Do you guys know what sausage? Alright, guys. My throat is drier than a Popeye's biscuit. This Fang tastes a little peculiar. It does kind of taste like blue raspberry. Like it says, I forgot to say blue raspberry, but I'm gonna put that in the thumbnail. Yeah. It does taste like a blue raspberry soda with a lot of fizz and citric acid. It is sour. It was pretty sour. Yeah, this spoon's kind of cooked. Yeah, this is pretty sour. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck. That's sour. Here. might have to. We might have to finish this bottle. It's very, very sour. Oh. I'm doing a lot because it's very sour. Yeah, might be a very short video. Yeah, short-lived. Oh, yeah, blue raspberry. The sourness, it's like every time you take a sip, your mouth just like fizzes up. Yeah, it doesn't really feel too good. Taste? Like a normal little real sugar soda would taste. So, yeah. And those aren't eyes in the back. I don't know what that is.
It's Fat Man!
What are you doing? Please leave us alone.
I ain't leaving none of you alone. Unless the kitty cat here, then you're donezos. Oh no. He's there. Please. Wait. Why am I begging? I could just give you my fart attack, and you guys will be donezos. Here we go.
Yeah, very sour. Extremely sour, even. Yeah. This thing is pretty short-lived. It's pretty basic. Just a basic little sour drink. I'm gonna put it over here because I'm done with it. I have a basis of what it tastes like. It's very sour. Yeah. So, what would I rate it? Very sour. Not really ideal for you to just grab out of the fridge and drink on your way home. More like a thing that's like, oh, I dare you to get that and chug the whole thing. Yeah. You know why? Because it's very sour. It'd be pretty hard to do that, right? Maybe. Maybe not. But hey, it is sour. Very sour. And yeah. I think I'm going to have to give it a ideal drink-wise. Maybe like a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. And let me check the calories on it. Calories. Oh? It doesn't say. Okay, it does. 170 calories. Per 12 something. 12 ounces, I think. Yeah. Very, very sour. Not ideal. 6 out of 10. I don't really know what else to do for this video. Now there is other videos. Because I'm going to have to review this and... But yeah. It's looking at me. Oh. Yeah. Trampoline time.
Mac and cheese bites.
We're not having trampoline time. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.